Dear viewers, welcome to the video of SEO strategy for a viral YouTube video. Surely, proper SEO can make a YouTube video viral by search traffic. The fact is that there is no exact rule for YouTube SEO, but we can follow a footprint that YouTube encourages content creators to do to rank on YouTube search. Let us discuss the top 10 vital factors of YouTube video SEO. Number 1. Video title. In 2020, the video title is the most crucial factor to make a YouTube video viral. A video can be viral only by a good title. Some great tips to create a perfect video title are: the title should be keyword optimized and focus keyword should be at the beginning. It must be unique, simple and eye-catching. Better if it is under 67 characters. Number 2. Video description. Video description plays an important role for video SEO. A good description should be more than 250 words long and keyword optimized, but don't overuse keywords numerous times. Better if you can provide the information source links and social media links. Additionally, use at least 2 main focus keyword phrases with hashtag without space. For example, hashtag YouTube SEO, hashtag video ranking factors. Number 3. Audience retention rate. We must be cautious about audience retention rate, which is actually the percentage of average video watch time. The higher the audience retention rate, the better the chance of ranking. Therefore, we must try to create informative, authentic and more importantly interesting videos that either entertain people or educate them. Number 4. Video tags. That means keywords. Putting the relevant keywords on the tag section is also an important factor because that helps YouTube video to understand what the videos are actually about. Try to use on-topic keywords that have high search volume and low competition. You can use Google Keyword Planners or TubeBuddy browser extension for keyword research. Number of comments. The more comments your video gets, the higher the possibility of getting higher rank. We can do a trick to enhance the number of comments on our video. Idea is to throw a question in the video and ask viewers to give reply in the comment section. Pin the best comment at the top, provide love reaction on the good comments and reply all the comments. Number of likes. Number of likes, even dislikes, helps our video positively in terms of SEO. Therefore, encourage viewers to like the video and tell them about your expected number of likes on the video. Number 7. Custom thumbnail. As thumbnail creates the first impression, it is really crucial for high click-through rate. By putting the focus keyword on thumbnail as text, we can highlight the main topic. Thumbnail should be eye-catching and summarize the video story. Number 8. Social media engagement. Social media share after publishing the video can provide us the initial traffic and social signals. We must share our video on top social media like Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, Pinterest, Tumblr and so on. Number 9. Embed and backlinks. We should embed our videos on Blogger, websites and other platforms. The higher the backlinks to the video, that means the higher the number of websites referring to our video, the higher the possibility of ranking. Post video on forums with backlink. Number 10. Get suggested. By creating playlists and sharing the video on playlists, we can help our video to be suggested by other videos. We have to put the channel name on the tag section so that other videos of our channel also suggest the video. Our video can be suggested by the other popular videos on the same topic depending on the title and tags. Finally, we can come to a conclusion that there is no alternative of producing quality content to make the video viral on YouTube. Now I would like to throw a question to you. Do you think subtitle or CC helps a YouTube video in terms of SEO? Don't forget to give your answer in the comment section and I would try to reply there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification when the new video is available.